No, my people. Me no know what go on in Jamaica, my people. Me no understand what go on in Jamaica. Me no understand what go on in the parish of St. Thomas, Jamaica, my people. Me no understand what go on. See it? Cause I got some information that disturb me, my people. So me I say, I got information that a girl is missing from St. Thomas. And when me hear the information, me say again, that's what me say to myself, no people. See? Because if my memory recall good enough, this would be the fourth underage girl me hear reported missing from within the parish of St. Thomas, that's within the country of Jamaica, from the month of October to the month of November, the year 2021. See? Yeah, I got information that two of those girls was found. You see me I say? Yeah, and then they back home with them family and they are all right. You see it? Anyways, let me get into certain details, just in case if these information can help anyone to locate this girl. You see me? And if anyone have any information that can locate this girl, contact the police immediately. Now, I got the understanding that an Ananda alert had been activated for a 14-year-old girl who goes by the name of Dina Thomas. Now, the reason why I say it like that, number people, is because it depends on how the parent or parents pronunciate her first name, you know. But just in case if I don't get her first name correct with the pronunciation, I'm going to spell it. That would be D-E-N-A, right? So is either Dina or Dana Thomas. See? So I got the understanding that she has been missing from the 2nd of November, the year 2021. It is said that she's of a dark complexion, medium build, and about 157 centimeters. That would be 5 feet 2 inches tall. See it? It is said that the Morant Bay police report are that sometime at about 11:20 a.m., assume that would be on the 2nd of November, the year 2021. It is said that the little girl was last seen at her home wearing something that is known as a floral dress. Alright, now my people, wanna share this video. Share this video far and wide. Share it, make as many people know what's going on, because by sharing this video, you might be saving a life, viewers and subscribers. You understand? So share this video, make people know what's going on. Yeah, so me see a picture of the little girl in more than one news article, and you're looking at the picture right about now in this video. Yeah, you're looking at the picture right about now in this video. Viewers and subscribers, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video, because I will keep in an eye on the situation. You see me? As soon as me get any information about this little girl, I will let you know. Alright, now my people, listen to another disturbing news now, because this one is another one where me I say to myself, say what really and truly are going on in Jamaica, my people, you see? So, I got information that a technician who reportedly disobeyed the directive of gangsters in his community to disconnect his home security camera system was killed in broad daylight. According to information that I got, it is said that the incident happened on the 30th of October, the year 2021, near to his home within the place that is known as White Lane, that's within Nago Head, Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica. It is said that the man who lost his life is a 39-year-old, and it is said that he goes by the name of Kieran McCollin. It is said that the man had been shot multiple times by unknown assailants, and it is said that he had been taken to a hospital where he was pronounced dead. Now, viewers and subscribers, I also got information that this same man who goes by the name of Kieran McCollin is said to be the nephew of a 57-year-old police officer who was shot and killed in Gregory Park, Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica. Yeah, it is said that the 57-year-old police officer was reportedly playing dominoes with friends at a premises in Gregory Park, St. Catherine, Jamaica, and armed men opened fire, hitting him multiple times. You see me? I wonder if any of you remember that incident. Well, it is said that that man is that man's uncle. You see me? I say so. Just to make you know about the whole situation and about these incidents, are the incident, viewers and subscribers. You see me? I say. Anyways, big up and respect to each and every one. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up, you see it?